அப்படியா? இதப்பாருடா
My God, that's Tamil Nadu group, Team Groove Gang. And Milan, if we can please have you on stage once again. Milan Verma, watch. Slowly. Dheere. Oh, boy. Thank you, Team Groove Gang. Please collect your certificates from the panel and take a picture outside in the media wall. All right? Take a picture. And can I please have these groups ready? Bollybics by Meeta, It's Time to Dance, and Shreya Bollywood Dance Group. These three dance groups, please be ready. तो दोस्तों अभी तमिलनाडु से हम जाएंगे उस प्रदेश की तरफ जिधर one of the biggest statues of the world is right there, belonging to none other than Bismarck of India, Sardar Patel. जो जन्मभूमि है सरदार पटेल की और जन्मभूमि है हमारे वर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की. कौन सा स्टेट है वो जिधर जाके आप बोलते हैं केम छो? Which state is that? जोर से, which state is that? ठीक समझा. Representing the state of Gujarat, Omkara Dance Academy.
આજની રાત અમે રંગ ભર રમશું 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 હે પર ભાતે પાછો માંગી દેને રે યશોદા મૈયા કાનુડો માંગ્યો દે હો કાનુડો માંગ્યો દે રે યશોદા મૈયા મોહન માંગ્યો ચકરડી ભમરડી ચકરડી ભમરડી ચકરડી ચકરડી ભમરડી ભરગીર જાજી રે ભવાની માં ચકરડી ભમરડી ભરગીર જાજી રે ભવાની માં હે ચકરડી નો રોમ નર દેજો રે ભવાની માં ચકરડી નો રોમ નર દેજો રે ભવાની માં ચકરડી ભમરડી ભરગીર જાજી રે ભવાની માં ચકરડી ભમરડી ભરગીર જાજી રે ભવાની માં સાવરે સોનાનું ભરગીર પારણું ભવાની માં સાવરે સોનાનું ભરગીર પારણું ભવાની માં હે પારણામાં પોડનાર દેજો રે ભવાની માં પારણામાં પોડનાર દેજો રે ભવાની માં ચકરડી ભમરડી ચકરડી ભમરડી ચકરડી ચકરડી ભમરડી ભરગીર જાજી રે ભવાની માં ચકરડી ભમરડી ભરગીર જાજી રે ભવાની માં ખેલ ખેલ રે ભવાની માં જય જય અંબે માં ખેલ ખેલ રે ભવાની માં જય જય અંબે માં ખેલ ખેલ રે ભવાની માં જય જય અંબે માં ખેલ ખેલ રે ભવાની માં જય જય અંબે માં હો જય જય અંબે માં જય જય અંબે માં જય જય અંબે માં જય જય અંબે માં તું તો પાવાની પટરાણી માં જય જય અંબે માં ખેલ ખેલ રે ભવાની માં જય જય અંબે માં કે ખમા 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 માને જાજે ખમા દેવ દયાળીને જાજે ખમા મારી ચોટીલા વાળીને જાજે ખમા મારી ચામુંડ માળીને જાજે ખમા 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 માને જાજે ખમા દેવ દયાળીને જાજે ખમા મારી ચોટીલા વાળીને જાજે ખમા મારી ચામુંડ માળીને જાજે ખમા કે ખમા 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 માને જાજે ખમા દેવ દયાળીને જાજે ખમા મારી ચોટીલા વાળીને જાજે ખમા મારી ચામુંડ માળીને જાજે ખમા 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 માને જાજે ખમા દેવ દયાળીને જાજે ખમા મારી ચોટીલા વાળીને જાજે ખમા મારી ચામુંડ માળીને જાજે ખમા
So that was Omkara, Academy of Dance, representing the state of Gujarat. Milan Verma, we need you once more on stage. Milan Verma, Sumita ji, Vaidya ji, anybody from Panorama, we need once more, we need one of you on stage, or all three of you, doesn't matter. Milan Verma, if you're here, else we'll just take a picture. People are saying once more, people are saying awesome. Zarur, once more, hamare dil bhi karte hai. Thank you, Omkara Group. Please collect your certificates. Thank you so much. Dosto, how's the Josh? एक बार फिर से, how's the Josh? मैं जजेस को सिर्फ देख रहा हूँ, वो लोग सामने से डांस को हैंडल कर रहे हैं, पीछे से शोर को. Judges, you're doing a great job. So from the Gujarat group, फ्रॉम गुजरात अभी जाएंगे हम ऐसे स्टेट पे जो चलाते हैं इंडिया की इकोनॉमी को. हमारे फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल उधर है. और अगर बोलूं वीर बहादुर छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज भी उधर से. अगर मैं बोलूं जय भवानी, जय भवानी, representing the state of Maharashtra, here's Shreya Dance Group for you.
धिनन धिनन धगिट धगिधा पुनवेच्या तारांगणी शुक्राची मी चांदणी लख लख त्या तेजाची झगमग त्या रूपाची रंभा जणू मी देखणी रंगाच्या दरबारी मी वीज थिरकणारी जलवंती लजवंती दरवळते मी कस्तुरी फुलवंती 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 फुलवंती
तुझी चाल कशी मोरवाणी डौलदार ग फुल कशी घालतो या काळ झाला चंद्रवाणी रंग मोरा पान ग तुझी चाल कशी मोरवाणी डौलदार ग फुल कशी घालतो या काळ झाला चंद्रवाणी रंग मोरा पान ग
धगिट धा दिनन धगिधा धगिधा दिनन धा धगिट धा दिनन धा धगिट धगिधा गगनाची अवनीची तिन्ही लोकींची आरस पाणी मी सुंदरा ही कांती नवसाची फुलण्याची फुलण्याची माझी अनोखी तऱ्हा ताऱ्याची नजर वाऱ्याचं पदर उरते अधर मधात झर सळाळते बिजली जशी अंग भर रंगाच्या दरबारी मी वीज थिरकणारी जलवंती लजवंती दरवळते मी कस्तुरी फुलवंती
जशी गंध मोगऱ्याचा ही बहर यौवनाचा साथ घालते मनास कशी मनमोहिनी
फुलवंती
जशी गंध गुलाबाचा करी कहर नर्तनाचा लावते मना मनात कशी मनमोहिनी
फुलवंती
तुझी चाल कशी मोरवाणी डौलदार ग फुल कशी घालतो या काळ झाला चंद्रवाणी रंग मोरा पान ग तुझी चाल कशी मोरवाणी डौलदार ग फुल कशी घालतो या काळ झाला चंद्रवाणी रंग मोरा पान ग
There you go. Jai Maharashtra. That's Shreya group of dance. Please come together for a picture. Vaidehi ji, please come on stage. Milan, you too. Let's take a picture. All squish up. Yeah, this is her stage. There you go. दोस्तों बहुत सारे vendors हैं हमारे. There's ICICI booth, there's RBC booth, there's SBI who sponsored our Panorama Idol. There are vendors booth, jewelry, clothing, lots of. उधर भी जाइए, shopping भी कीजिए, मजा भी लीजिए Panorama की. अब संदीप जी इधर ऐसे बैठे थे, ये सोच रहे थे किसको ज्यादा points दूं, किसका points काटूं. सब अच्छे डांस कर रहे हैं. मुझे पता है judges पे ऊपर ये हमेशा चलता है. तो after Maharashtra by Shreya Bollywood Dance, from our financial capital, हम जाएंगे हमारे real capital जो है हमारे administrative capital of India, the Union Territory or the city of Delhi. और दिल्ली को लेके आपके सामने आ रहे Bolly Bex by Meeta right there. Bolly Bex is right there. Shreya Bollywood Dance Group, please collect your certificates from our panel. Shreya Bollywood Dance Group, please collect your certificates. Now it's Delhi being represented by Bolly Bex by Meeta.
आ जाओ यार।
एक सोन जो रुपयो, एक चांदी जो रुपयो, एक सोन जो रुपयो, अल्लाह अल्लाह, एक चांदी जो रुपयो, अल्लाह अल्लाह, अल्लाह अल्लाह, अल्लाह अल्लाह, अल्लाह अल्लाह, अल्लाह अल्लाह।
लाल झूले लाल झूले लाल झूले लाल झूले ओ झूले 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 लाल झूले लाल झूले लाल झूले लाल झूले 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 लाल को दोनों झूले लाल गिंदा गिंदा बेड़ा पार को दोनों झूले लाल गिंदा गिंदा बेड़ा पार लाल जाती तो समय झूले लाल विजय झूले रीता जाती तो समय झूले लाल ओ लाल झूले लाल झूले लाल झूले लाल झूले ओ झूले 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 लाल झूले लाल झूले लाल झूले लाल झूले 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 लाल
जी सिंध वारा जी सिंध टोपी अजे अखबारा जी
जेको खटी आयो खैर सा, जंजी सिंध समूरी सूहा, जेको खटी आयो खैर सा, ओ जमालो, जंजी सिंध समूरी सूहा, ओ जमालो, ओ जंजो रोज़ो लाल लतीफ़ जो, ओ जमालो, ओ हिया सिंधड़ी सुणे लाल जी, ओ जमालो, ओ जमालो, जानी जमालो, ओ जमालो, जानी जमालो, जेको खटी आयो खैर सा, ओ जमालो, जंजी सिंध समूरी सूहा, ओ जमालो, वाह वाह सिंधी वाह वाह, वाह वाह सिंधी वाह वाह, वाह वाह सिंधी वाह वाह, वाह वाह सिंधी वाह वाह।
Wait. So that was Bollybex by Meeta representing Delhi. Just wait for a picture. And Milan Verma from Panorama India. Vaideji, you too. Great. Sandeep, you can join us too if you want for a picture. थैंक यू। हम लोग तो सोच रहे थे किसी का शादी चल रहा था, मैं और मिलन सोच रहे कि जाके नाच के आए, खा के आए, लेकिन सोचा कि कंपटीशन चल रहा है वही। We need some volunteers for the stage. We need some cleaning staff. स्टेज पे बहुत सारे फूल बरसे हैं, लेकिन ये फूल जरा सा स्टेज से हटाना है अगले ग्रुप को बुलाने के लिए. We need some cleaning staff, some stage ushers if possible. Panorama India volunteers group, if we can get some volunteer stage volunteers to clean up the flower petals. Okay, we'll move on to the next group, which will provide us with the beautiful Lambadi folk dance representing the state of Andhra Pradesh. But before they come on stage, we'll clean it up. Just wait 2 minutes. Just wait 2 minutes. Okay, we have to, to call the next group, we have to totally clean this up. If I can get some stage volunteers. If I can just get a broom, I can do it myself. I just need a broom, that's it. Or some stage volunteers who don't mind because we don't want any risks, because the dance performance, you know, they need a clean stage. Picture. Okay, sir. Oh God. Pearson Convention staff, if we can just get a broom or a, that'll be enough. नहीं, they are doing back. अगर कोई गिर गया तो dangerous होगा भी. ओ चलो, ये हिंदी मूवी जैसा है, सब कुछ होने के बाद पुलिस आता है, तो सब कुछ क्लीन होने के बाद तब ब्रोम आया. Just clean it up from the middle. Just middle is good. Just take it out from the middle. Sides we'll do later. So दोस्तों अभी हम जाएंगे. Judges, please note, it's time to dance. I'm not saying it in English. It's time to dance group representing the state of Andhra Pradesh. How many people from Andhra Pradesh here? Original from Andhra Pradesh. Give some cheer. Give some cheer. There you go. It's time to dance with the Lombardi folk dance representing the state of Andhra Pradesh.
నీకే కన్నులం మేము ఎన్నేళ్ళకే వన్నెలం ముఖేరా పెట్టినం గమ్మాలు పెట్టినం అందాల లంబాడి ఏజాడు కట్టినం ముఖేరా పెట్టినం గమ్మాలు పెట్టినం అందాల లంబాడి ఏజాడు కట్టినం వారే 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 వారే
So, ladies and gentlemen, that's It's Time to Dance group. If you can please move back a little bit, it's time to dance so our photographers can get a good view. Vaideji is here, Milan, you're here. Let's take a picture with It's Time to Dance. Thank you. And if we can do a little bit of more cleanup on the stage. बाहरों फूल बरसा के गए हमारे डांस ग्रुप आए हैं and it's time to dance. Please collect your certificates from the panel. It's time to dance group. Please collect your certificates from the registration panel right there. All right. Thanks to our cleaning staff. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, कहते हैं कि are you guys enjoying the show? How many of you love India? Tell me yes. How many of you love India? There you go. So do I. लेकिन हमारा भारतवर्ष एक ऐसा देश है अभी तक हम लोग गर्व करते हैं कल्पना चावला के ऊपर, हम लोग गर्व करते हैं किरण बेदी के ऊपर. We are proud of Mary Kom. We are proud of Jhulan Goswami and we are proud of Jhansi Ki Rani. So many women who have put us in the forefront. अभी भी भारतवर्ष में कुछ ऐसी जगह है जिधर एक औरत को अपने परिवार में आने से पहले ही रोक दिया जाता है. It is the truth. We still face those cases in a lot of parts of India where the birth of a female child is not considered auspicious. The womb is destroyed before even the child is born. आप लोगों ने ठीक ही सुना, ये एक सच है, कड़वा सच. हम लोग अखबारों में भी देखते हैं, न्यूज़ चैनल्स में भी देखते हैं, लेकिन धीरे धीरे हम ईश्वर से ये प्रार्थना करते हैं कि धीरे धीरे ये हट जाए हमारे देश से. उसी कॉन्सेप्ट को लेके आपके सामने आ रहे हैं हाना यानी हरियाणवी एसोसिएशन ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका to represent the state of Haryana, the state of Chaudhries, the state of all the Jats, representing the state of Hana. Haryana, here's Hana.
हमारे घर में खुशियाँ छाई जाई है मारे लाडली, हमारे घर में खुशियाँ छाई जाई है मारे लाडली, 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 हमारे घर में खुशियाँ छाई जाई है मारे लाडली.
हाँ लाडो, बड्डी होकर तू क्या बनेगी बेटी?
बाबू, मैं बड़े होके पहलवान बनूंगी, पहलवान. और जब मैं मेडल लेके आऊंगी तो तेरी छाती इतनी चौड़ी हो जाएगी.
समझो काची डोरी सा दुनिया में रुका मेरे बाल.
There you go. That was Hana representing Haryana. Milan Verma, if we can please have you on stage. Sumita ji, Vaidhi ji, आप तीनों अगर आ सके तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. Milan Verma from Panorama India. Haryana, Hana Group, please stay here. Hana Group, hello, we need a picture, that's why. Please stay here. We need a picture with all of you. Thank you. Thank you, Hana Group. Great presentation. अभी हम जा रहे हैं आखिरी सेगमेंट पे हमारे फोक डांस कंपटीशन पे. जजेस भी स्माइल कर रहे हैं. जजेस, how was the experience? I guess it was good. They are smiling too. At least they have come to the last part of their job and now they can relax. थोड़ा चाय वाय पियेंगे, खाना वाना खाएंगे. तो बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स भी है, आप लोग भी खा सकते हैं. Now we have traveled almost with flights all over India. Now it's time to go to the backwaters of India. Time to go to a place which is called God's own country. Representing South India, the state of Kerala, we have the very, very talented classes of Krama.
തെയ്യം തെയ്യമെന്നാൽ കേവലം ഒരു നൃത്തരൂപം മാത്രമല്ല. 800-ലേറെ വർഷങ്ങളായി കേരളീയർ ആഘോഷിച്ചു വരുന്ന ഒരു ഉത്സവമാണ് തെയ്യം ഉത്സവം. ഇന്നും കേരളത്തിലെ പല ഭാഗങ്ങളിലും ജനങ്ങൾ പ്രാർത്ഥനയോടും ഭക്തിയോടും കൂടി തെയ്യത്തെ വരവേൽക്കുന്നു.
What a performance by Classes by Krama. My God. What a performance. Once more. If once more we wanted to, but जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए, जोरदार शोर हो जाए. Milan और वैदेही जी आगे. Let's have a picture once again with Classes of Krama. Jai! Jai! There you go. That brings us to the end of the folk dance competition organized by Panorama India 2025. Please tag us. Please tag us. Take the pictures, take the videos, and please tag us. And now, once again, I will call our chairperson, honorable chairperson, Vaidehi ji, once again on stage.
Srijit, what do you think? Oh my God, I'm just awed with watching all the performances. Oh my God, I don't know since how long they have been practicing, but you know what? Everybody, the amount of energy they have put in here, and that only the judges will be able to say that. The judges have started marking their score sheets and hiding the score sheets, yes. And you will definitely know soon as to who's going to be the winner in the folk dance competitions when during our prize distribution ceremony after our cultural segment. So now, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned for our next segment, which is the cultural segment, whereby you'll be able to witness 100+ kids. They will be depicting the festivals of India. And this segment is sponsored by TD Canada Group. So thank you, TD, for all your support. TD has been a phenomenal support for Panorama India during the Indian Independence Day as well as this year. They took this initiative. They took a step ahead and sponsored our cultural segment here during the Republic Day celebration. So thank you, TD, for all your support. And stay tuned for much more excitement that you're going to witness right now. We have little kids here, so don't scare them. Be patient with them. And of course, we have to be patient with them because we have to watch each and every kid. It's not just the kid they have been involved, but the parents. So I want to take this moment to thank all the parents, wonderful parents, who have been coming forward and supporting their kids, bringing them here. These kids were brought for rehearsals as well. And you know what? The parents have been coming along, carrying their snack packs, cookies, and keeping them awake. So kudos to all the wonderful parents who have supported the cultural segment. Oh, yes. The energy of folk dance is still on. So stay tuned. Srijit? Yes. Srijit is dropping his jaw. He just doesn't know what to say now. And he just wants to be with the folk dance participants, right, Srijit? Tell me something about what did you feel about the folk dance competition this year? You know what? Every year we get the folk dances submissions which keep on increasing. So since last year what we did is we gave them just 3 minutes to showcase. And despite of that, you have witnessed all these groups, how they came here within 3 minutes period of time, how they showcased their respective states and made you drop your jaw. So stay tuned for much more to come. Over to you, Srijit.
Folk dance competition. Okay. Folk dance competition, what can I say? India is so diverse. Every state has its own dance form. We have classical dance form, we have folk dances. In the Western world, India is just represented mainly by Bollywood dance. But Bollywood dance is not an identity of our Indian dance. I love Bollywood dance myself, but when it comes to recognizing myself as an Indo-Canadian, our actual dance is represented by our classical dance, by our folk dances which were presented here. Yes, it's a competition. कोई जीतेगा, कोई नहीं जीतेगा, वो और बात है. लेकिन जो हमारे ये जो नाच का, जो नृत्य का जो मिठास है, ये folk dance से ही पता चलता है. The diversity of India can be traced through the folk dance. तो दोस्तों, अभी folk dance competition comes to an end. Panorama Idol has come to an end 2025. Folk Dance 2025 has come to an end. The competitions are over. The judges are relaxing. I can see right there. Prabhaji is smiling. You're smiling? No, you're marking. Okay. So there you go. Now we'll slowly move on to our cultural segment. हमारे हिंदुस्तान में एक अलग चीज़ है त्योहार. त्योहारों की भी बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस हमारे पास है. बहुत सारा त्योहार, बहुत सारे स्टेट्स त्योहार में अलग से रंग ढंग, अलग से वेशभूषा. लेकिन ये त्योहार हमारे देश का एक अभिन्न अंग है. तो अभी इस त्योहार के आपके सामने अंडर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मिलन वर्मा एंड निधि सचदेवा, narration by none other than Vijay sir right here, हम लोग लेके आ रहे हैं आपके सामने एक segment त्योहार. Before that, I would request everyone, if you want to capture it, put it on Facebook Live, put it on IG Live, record it in your smartphones, because this is a unique concept they have brought. Last year they stunned us with celebrities, our Nanne Munne kids, and this time they are no exception, presenting Tyohar and starting our cultural segment for Panorama India 2025.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We have for you a delightful presentation. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We have for you a special presentation. This is a delightful presentation of the colorful and lively festivals of the various cultures that form the tapestry of our country. This is presented to you by some of the brightest and the youngest and the loveliest young stars that we have from our community. Starting with the Goa Carnival, also known as Intrude, it's one of the most vibrant and anticipated events in Goa. Carnival features a grand parade with colorful floats, lively music, street dances, masquerade balls. People dress in elaborate costumes. The festival is traditionally led by King Momo. He's a mythical figure that declares the carnival open. King Momo's proclamation is followed by feasting, dancing, and merrymaking.
Viva Carnaval, Carnaval, Carnaval. Rongache festival ya, hasun kedun natsuya. Viva Carnaval.
The carnival has its roots in the Portuguese colonial past and has been celebrated for over 500 years. Celebrations last for over 3 to 4 days, usually starting on Saturday of Ash Wednesday and ending on Shrav Tuesday. Chhat Puja. This is one of the most important and ancient Hindu festivals celebrated in Bihar, dedicated to the worship of the sun god Surya and his wife Usha. The festival involves rigorous fasting, standing in water for long periods, offering prayers to the rising and setting sun. Celebrations last for over 4 days and include rituals such as Nahai Khai, Lohanda, Kharna, Sandhya Arghya and Usha Arghya. Devotees perform these rituals to thank Surya for the sustaining life on earth and to seek blessings for health, prosperity and well-being. ये थे हमारे बिहारी बच्चे। Durga Puja, also known as Durgotsava, is a major Hindu festival predominantly celebrated in West Bengal. It's also celebrated in Assam, Bihar, Odisha, Tripura and Jharkhand. Nepal and Bangladesh also celebrate this festival. It lasts for 10 days, with the last 5 days at Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami and Vijayadashmi being the most significant. Durga Puja celebrates the victory of goddess Durga over the buffalo demon Mahishashura, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. The festival involves elaborate celebrations, including the installation of beautifully crafted idols of goddess Durga, cultural performances and devotional songs and traditional dances. Pandals are set up, which house the dolls, serve as the centers of communal worship and celebration. These pandals are often intricately decorated. On the final day of Vijayadashmi, the idols are immersed in the rivers or other water bodies, symbolizing the return of the goddess to her heavenly abode. Khub bhalo. Eid ul-Fitr, a significant Islamic festival celebrated with great enthusiasm in India. It marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. The prayer begins with a special prayer known as Salat al-Eid in mosques and open grounds known as Eidgah. The faithful gather in large numbers to offer prayers, which is followed by a sermon. Zakat al-Fitr is a form of charity that is given to the needy, and this act of giving ensures everyone can join in the festive meal. After a month of fasting, the day is marked by lavish feasts. Traditional dishes like biryani, kebab, sevaiyan, and various sweets are prepared. Everyone dresses in their best, and often the newest clothes, and the children receive gifts of money known as Eidi. This needs no introduction. Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, is widely celebrated Hindu festival dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god of wisdom, prosperity and good fortune. Festival usually falls in the Hindu month of Bhadrapad between August and September and lasts for 10 days, starting on the 4th day of the waxing moon period. Families and communities install beautifully crafted idols of Lord Ganesha in their homes and public pandals. These idols are often elaborately decorated and worshipped with great devotion. Daily prayers and offerings and aarti are also performed. Devotees offer sweets such as modaks, which are considered Ganesha's favorites. The festival is marked by various cultural activities, including music, dance, and theatrical performances. It brings the community together in celebration. On the final day, known as Anant Chaturdashi, the idols are taken in a grand procession to nearby water bodies for immersion, Visarjan. This symbolizes the return of Lord Ganesha to his celestial abode, taking away the misfortunes of his devotees. Ganapati Bappa! Gangaur, one of the most vibrant and significant festivals celebrated in Rajasthan, dedicated to the divine couple Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. The festival lasts for 16 days, starting on the first day of the Hindu month of Chaitra, March and April. Women, both married and unmarried, observe fasts and pray for the well-being of their husbands or for good husbands. They create beautiful idols of Gauri and Shiva. Numerous melas are held throughout the state, featuring folk dances, music, and various cultural performances. was such a lovely performance. Such lovely little couples. Come on, folks, you can do better. A big hand. Haldi Kumkum. A traditional ritual associated with Makar Sankranti, especially in the Indian states of Maharashtra and Karnataka. The Haldi Kumkum ceremony is a social gathering where women invite each other to their homes and exchange haldi, which is turmeric, and kumkum, vermilion, which are symbols of marriage status and well-being. Women apply haldi and kumkum on each other's foreheads and offer small gifts such as sweets, bangles, and betel leaves. This exchange is believed to bring prosperity and good luck. Folks, a big hand for our lovely young ladies. Kartika Deepam, also known as Kartikeya Deepam or Trikartika. It is a significant Hindu festival celebrated with great fervor in the southern states of India, especially Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Kerala. The festival is dedicated to Lord Shiva and his son, Lord Kartikeya. It marks the appearance of a divine light, a Jyoti, at the hilltops of the Tiruvanmalai. Devotees light rows of oil lamps in their homes, temples, and streets. The sight of countless lamps illuminating the night is beautiful and a symbolic gesture of dispelling darkness and ignorance. One of the most famous celebrations takes place at the Annamalayar temple in Tiruvanmalai, where a gigantic lamp is lit on top of the Annamalai hill, and this event is known as Mahadipam and attracts thousands of devotees.
शक्तिधरा वल्लीशनाद कल्याण सुंदरा
Special dishes are made and intricate columns, that's rangolis, are drawn. And they participate in various religious and cultural festivals, activities during the festival. A big hand for our little ladies, please. Kumar Purnima, also known as Sharad Purnima, is a vibrant festival celebrated in Odisha on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Ashwina. That's between October and November. The festival marks the birth of Lord Kartikeya Kumar, son of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, and it signifies the beginning of the Gajalakshmi Puja, an 11-day festival dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. Unmarried girls wake up before sunrise, bathe and wear new clothes. They offer Anjali, handfuls of offerings to the rising sun 7 times near the Tulsi plant. In the evening, they offer Chand Chakata, a special dish made from various fruits and sweets to the moon. Apart from that, there's plenty of singing and dancing, as you can see. This is the children offering Anjali to the rising sun 7 times near the Tulsi plant. Lodi, a popular Punjabi festival celebrated primarily in the northern regions of India. बताने की भी जरूरत है क्या? Lodi is celebrated on January the 13th, marking the end of winter and the arrival of longer days. Festival is dedicated to the sun god and the fire god, and it celebrates the harvest of the winter crops, particularly sugarcane. It also symbolizes the end of the winter solstice. Lodi is synonymous with energetic folk dances like the Bhangra and the Gidda. Dishes include sarson da saag, makke di roti, and sweets made from jaggery and sesame seeds. Uttarayan, also known as Makar Sankranti, is one of the most eagerly awaited festivals in Gujarat. The festival is celebrated on January the 14th every year, marking the transition of the sun into the zodiac sign of Capricorn, which is Makar. One of the most iconic aspects of Uttarayan is the International Kite Festival, where people from all over the world gather in Gujarat to participate in the kite flying. The sky is filled with colorful kites of various shapes and sizes.
अरे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे ढील दे रे भैया तेज 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 है मांझा अपना तेज है तेज 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 है मांझा अपना तेज है उंगली कट सकती है बापू हो उंगली कट सकती है बापू तो
Flying kites all day can be tiring. So families prepare special dishes like undiyu and chikki, sweets made from sesame seeds and jaggery to celebrate the occasion. Vishu is a significant festival celebrated primarily in the Indian state of Kerala and by the Malayali community worldwide. Vishu marks the beginning of the Malayalam New Year and usually falls on the 14th and 15th of April. Vishukani is one of the most important rituals of Vishu. And this means the first thing one sees on Vishu Day. An elaborate arrangement of items such as rice, fruits, flowers, coins, and a mirror is prepared the night before. People wake up early to view the Vishukani as a symbol of prosperity. Vishukainitam, which is what the elders give to the children and the younger members as a token of blessing and good fortune. A special feast called Sadhya is prepared featuring a variety of traditional Kerala dishes served on a banana leaf. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please have a round of applause for this explosion of color and culture. And all this enthusiasm that we've witnessed from all these children and their parents, who have spent several hours and lots of blood, sweat and tears. Special thanks also to Vaidehi, Nidhi, as well as Milan. All of you have to go.
ലക്ഷ്യം നിന്റെ അടുത്തല്ലോ
नाना जाति नाना बेग পরিবারে নাই কোনো হিন্দুস্তানি তু হিন্দুস্তানি তু হিন্দুস্তানি তু হিন্দুস্তানি তু You are India, I am India.
So now that we've coaxed the sun, the moon and the entire constellation together, can we please have a huge round of applause for these lovely children? Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, panorama के बच्चे मन के सच्चे, क्या त्योहार लेके आए हैं ये लोग आपके सामने? जरा देखिए सारे इंडिया के फेस्टिवल्स, Look at them. Kids, don't look at each other. Look in the front. Don't look at each other. Look in the front. Look to the cameras. Look in the front. We have Bhagwan Vishnu here. We have Ma Durga here. We have Mata Lakshmi. We have Goddess Saraswati. Today is Vasant Panchami. My God, we have all the gods and goddesses. We have Pongal. We have Eid. We have all the festivals of India. Sit down. Some of the kids, please sit down in the front. Sit down, sit down, sit down. In the front, sit down. Rest, stand at the back. The taller ones, like me, stand at the back. I was always made to stand at the back in my high school. Whoa, we have Ganpati Bappa right there. There you go. ये है हमारे निधि और मिलन के सारे talented बच्चे. Both of them did an awesome job and Vijay ji in narration. Can we have a round of applause for Milan Verma and Nidhi Sachdeva and Ravi ji? Great job, Tyohar mein. And for all the volunteers who supported this one, thank you. Okay, all the parents in front, we have a request from our official photographers. If you can please sit down. We need a shot or move away. We need an official shot. Please, everybody, all the parents, please just give us 5 minutes. Either sit down or move away. Please move away from the front. We need a shot. You have to move away from the front. Then you can come take a shot. All the parents, please, either sit down or move. All the parents. Mr. Desh, come in front. Master Desh, yeah, I can see your mother telling you.
So parents, can you please sit down so our official photographers will take the pictures and you will have a feast for that, right? So you want the best pictures of your kids. We also want that too. So we want you to sit down, be patient, because we have to watch each kid. We don't let them go. Okay, all the kids, come on, sit down. The front kids, sit down. Front kids, sit down. The back kids, stay standing. Kids at the back, stay standing. And look at your parents and look at the photographers. Everybody, look at the photographers and smile. Everybody, look at the photographers and smile. Say cheese! Okay, look at the photographer, that uncle in the grey suit. Look at the uncle in the grey suit there. Okay, right there. Say cheese. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Wonderful. Mummy, daddy, parents, thank you so much for making our cultural segment a grand success. We can only do this because of you, because you have taken all this effort bringing the kids. Now be patient. Please don't start calling your kids. You'll take your kids one by one. Okay? Please. We don't want to rush any kid. Not from here. Please come from the side of the stage. Please don't call them because, you know, everybody will keep running. We don't want them to keep running from the front of the stage. Please come to the side of the stage. We have adults watching them, taking them down the steps. Volunteers, please be careful. Please give a hand to all the kids to get down from the stage. Mummies and daddies, whoever are at the stage here, please help the kids down with holding them with their hands. One by one, one by one. We are not rushing here. One by one, right? Safety first. And please check on your kids. All the mummies and daddies, do you have your kids? Do you have your kids back? Any kids yet to find the parents? Wonderful. Beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being patient with us. Handling 100+ kids is not so easy. They have been rehearsing, and their parents have been truly supportive, bringing them along with their props, coming for rehearsals and practicing, and that was a grand success. Nidhi, Milan, wonderful. आप दोनों के बच्चों ने तो कमाल कर दिया. Thank you so much. Wonderful. This was a phenomenal performance, right? Shrijit, क्या बोलते हो?
इतना ही बोलूंगा कि दो माताओं के इतने सारे बच्चे हैं, इसीलिए इंडिया का पॉपुलेशन आप विश्व के टॉप में है. आप सोचिए, और इतने टैलेंटेड बच्चे. जोरदार ताली हो जाए. और जोक्स अपार्ट, let's have a round of applause for Nidhi Sachdeva and Milan Verma and to our whole Panorama team who made this possible. Great job. Tyohar. My God, look at the kid celebrities right now. There's Ma Durga, there's Krishna Bhagwan in front of me on stage. I saw Lord Vishnu. He was there too. I don't know, he got lost. But as usual, I was pushed to the back because I was the tallest in the pictures. Okay, I'll call our chairperson Vaidyaji once again to do some special announcements.
Okay, we'll give them a few minutes. Actually, some of the kids are actually enjoying the paparazzi feeling here. So let's give them a few minutes. And stay tuned. You are now going to hear the results of each competitions. So be with us. Don't go. Nidhi, Milan, can you come here for a picture, please? Public demand. आ जाओ निधि. Thank you, thank you. And you have to find your mommy and daddy, and if you don't find them, you have to stay with Nidhi auntie or Milan till the time, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, and now we move to the next segment, basically what we have witnessed all the entire day. So we have to see the results. But before that, before we start, we have had an art competition going on during the entire day, whereby we had 300 participants from all ages. So definitely starting from kindergarten, going all the way to seniors. So definitely whole day was a busy day in that area, where there were a lot of artists who were actually showcasing their art, and they were actually striving to see if they can win a prize. So we can only do this, of course, with the support of our sponsors. So I would like to call upon our sponsor for the art competition segment, which is ICICI Bank. If I may have the ICICI Bank team on the stage, please. Mr. Rajan Sharda, if you're here, if I can have you on the stage, please. ICICI Bank team. In the meantime, also, I would like to call upon our arts judges on the stage. We had two wonderful judges who were actually taking the time to assess these 300 artwork, 300. You can imagine the pressure on them, right? And during the entire day, they were scrutinizing all these artwork. It was not an easy job. I'm sure all the judges would agree here. The folk judges and the idol judges would agree their task wasn't easy as well. So let's welcome the judges of the art competition. And thank you, Rajan ji. Amazing, amazing. Like, you know, aapne dekha hoga art competition mein, we have the highest participation, actually. 300. This was never the case before, actually. In every year, we have been witnessing that we have the participation is increasing. idol competition ho gaya, folk dance competition ho gaya. We take only one state representing for the folk dance as well. And also for the art competition, we had so many participants. So आपको क्या लगता है आर्ट वर्क कुछ आर्ट के बारे में आप कुछ समझते हो या आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आर्ट के बारे में?
I was personally never good at it, but it is indeed heartening to see so many children, such a great talent over there. And it's not about winning or losing, it's more about participating. So I think every participant is a winner. And a big shout out, a big thanks, applause to every participant, including the winners as well.
Thank you, Rajanji. ICICI Bank has been very supportive since many years, and we truly appreciate your support for Panorama India, Republic Day as well as Independence Day. You've always been standing with us. So now I would like to call upon our esteemed judges of the art competition, Ms. Vibha Malhotra. And the second gentleman who is the art judge is Mr. Viraj Pongshe. Please join in here. And the lady, the phenomenal lady who is handling all these 300 participants is the presenting sponsor, Ms. Swatika Anandan, who is right here. Thank you very much, Swatika, for your support. How did you manage this tremendous competition with all these participants? Do you want a word from you?
With the support of volunteers, we have money and all the amazing high school volunteers who have volunteered their time. A big thanks to those volunteers. Without their support, this wouldn't have been possible. So it's always everybody's effort, team effort.
Thank you, Swatika. And you have been doing a phenomenal job. She has been traveling and she just came in actually 2 days before and still she's jet lagged. But despite of that, she's right here managing all the 300 participants. Now what I would like to hear from our judges here, विभा जी आपसे कुछ सुनना चाहूँगी आपका आज का दिन कैसे रहा कटा वहाँ पे और आपके अनुभव से कैसे रहा आपको जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो थे आर्ट कंपटीशन में कैसे रहा
आर्ट कंपटीशन में इतने अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं बच्चे और बड़े कि जज करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है और उसको बार हमें देखना पड़ता है क्या और it's amazing. We have amazing talent in our society, in our.
Thank you, indeed, truly. आपका काम वहाँ पे कुछ आसान नहीं था, I know that actually, but you know what, you managed the entire day with a phenomenal smile. Thank you very much for your support. विराज जी आपसे सुनना चाहूँगी, विराज जी के तो आर्ट वर्क आप लिविंग आर्ट सेंटर वगैरह कहाँ छलकते हैं. So आपसे जानना चाहूँगी आपका अनुभव आज कैसे रहा? How was your day?
I think the work is phenomenally good. I was really quite impressed with 300 plus entries. I think it's really interesting to see so many different kinds of work. And I think the kids have done a very good job. Great.
Indeed, thank you very much. And Rajanji, for all the support you have been rendering us since many years, we would like to thank you honestly for this contribution that ICICI has played a pivotal role in supporting Panorama India. We would like to present a small token to ICICI, if we can just. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you. Stay here for the prize, yes. And of course, we would like to felicitate our prestigious judges who we had. Viraj Pongshe. And Ms. Vibha Malhotra. Vibha ji, thank you so much for your support. आपको felicitate तो कर दिया लेकिन आपको काम भी तो करना है. You have to actually give the prizes now, announce the judges. So let's have Swatika here. Swatika, you know what? Let's start. What category are we starting now first? Kindergarten. So we have the award for the third category of the kindergarten, and the winner of the kindergarten category is Ayana. Third place, Ayana. And So you give the certificates, you give the book, and you give the trophy. Each book इनको दे दे. हाँ, एक करके आप दे दो. हाँ, पर. So let's have Ayana here. Ayana, last name. She just wrote the first name, Ayana. We have to identify the artwork. Like it's somebody sometimes get confused whether this is my drawing or not. So we're looking for the right Ayana. Which Ayana? Okay, first you go. Okay, so we have the right Ayana, right? Okay, yeah. Ayana, can you hold your artwork? And take the trophy. I know it's going to be heavy. I'm going to hold the book for you and you hold the certificate. Yes. Thank you, Anna. Stay here and you can hold this. Like, yeah. And the next prize we have Miyansh Patel for the second prize. Ooh. इन छोटे छोटे सितारों को यहाँ लाने का मतलब होता है कि एक बच्चे के साथ दो पेरेंट्स फ्री. तो पता चला हम लोग इतना क्राउड कैसे इकट्ठा करते हैं. Miyansh Patel. Okay, yes, well done, Miyansh. Come on in. Go to the auntie first. Take your certificate. Go to the uncle. Take your book and your trophy. And the first prize in Anvita. K. Anvita. K. Anvita. Anvita is not here, so we'll just save her prize right now. We'll save the certificates. And we'll just take a quick picture. Oh, Anvita is right here. Anvita, yes. Thank you, Anvita, for joining in. Yes. Go to this auntie. You have to take your prize. Yes, I'll let you take the pictures. Hold on to that. Next category. Grade 1 to 3.
The theme was the National Bird of India.
The theme was National Bird of India. And on the third category we'll announce all the categories. You can send the kids here and then we'll give them the certificate. The third prize goes to Irene Daw. Is that Daw? Second prize goes to Aradhya Arun. And the first prize goes to Leo Chakrabati. Please. Irene, Aradhya Arun, and Leo Chakrabati. Please come here. हाँ, जो पहली कैटेगरी वाले. Swatika, you want to give the gift cards? Or one of you, Rajan, you give the gift cards actually. First category, it's category 100. Okay. Third prize, yeah. हाँ, give the parents like yeah. Aradhya Arun and Leo Chakrabati. Are you here? Leo Chakrabati, can we have on your stage, please? Can we have you here on the stage? Oh. Leo Chakrabati. Aram se. That's okay. We'll give it to the mommy, daddy. Mommy, daddy, are you here? Parents are here. You'll have to hold the gifts here. Leo Chakravarti. Okay, no problem. We'll wait. No problem. And this is yours. Where's your mummy? Mummy? Oh, she's coming there. Okay. You want to hold this book, actually? Ha, Aradhya. And we are waiting for Leo Chakravarti. Okay, no problem, Leo. Come here. We have patience for you. Don't worry. Mummy, can we have you take the prize? It's okay. Agar bacha so gaya to doesn't matter. Don't worry. Wake him. Don't need to wake him up. You can come and take the prize on his behalf. So Leo Chakravarti, your mummy is taking the prize for you and she'll give it to you. Your Irene's mom. But okay, if Leo is not here, we'll hold the prize from him. Prize is not going anywhere. We'll go to the right bacha. Thank you very much, photographers. All yours. Look straight. Look straight. Oh, finally, where were you hiding, Leo? Oh my God. Leo. He wants a gift card first. Congratulations. Well done, kids. Congratulations. Heartiest congratulations to the parents as well. And while you step down, you have to watch your step, taking the steps down. Oh, and you have your brother accompanying him. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah. Not from here. You have to go from the steps. Take the steps down. Mummies and daddies, please watch the kids take. No running. Yes. Now, Swatika, this is indeed a task, right? Grade 4 to 6, we had any festival of India. And the winners are, third category, we have Ronit Bhausar. The second prize goes to Krish Singh. And the first prize goes to Arna Singhal. So again, once again, we want Ronit Bhausar, Krish Singh, and Arna Singhal. Please come on the stage.